So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to crop an image here on easel. So once you have easel open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the right hand side of your screen, press on the images tab, and then add an image into your design. So how about we want to add an image? Let's just say, for example, of what's a good example? How about this image right here of this flower? This will work perfectly. So if you wanted to maybe crop just the flower part and get rid of the majority of the background, the simplest way to do it is to press on the image, go to the top left hand side of your screen to these options right here, go to this option second from the right that says crop right here. And if you were to press on crop, now what you can actually do is crop the image into what you want. So you can drag the corners, do whatever you have to do, just like that. So if you wanted to keep that right there, you can simply just go to the top left and press on crop, and boom, there you go. You've now successfully cropped this image here on easel. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple process, but that is how you guys can crop an image here on the easel application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.